Hello, this is Norman Schafer, and I'm speaking with Marioni Andrew, the reservations at Island Hoppers. Now, they are a place where travelers can look to skip the boat ride and soar over Fiji's beautiful island chains. Island Hoppers is a trusted name in Fiji. They really deliver fast, reliable, and breathtaking flights from Nadi to the outer islands. Thank you for joining. Before we dive into today's episode, I want to tell you, if you've ever dreamed of experiencing one of the incredible destinations that we talk about on the show, be sure to visit farandawayadventures.com. For over 30 years, I've helped travelers discover some of the most extraordinary destinations on Earth. If this is of interest, check out the link in the description to farandawayadventures.com, and we'd be happy to make your next trip unforgettable.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now, Marioni, can you tell me a little bit about the kinds of air transfer services that you provide across Fiji?
Okay. Thank you for that. With Island Hoppers, we operate a helicopter and a land plane. With our categories of with the hotels, we have honeymoon resorts. We also have family resorts. It all depends on what the guest wanted or what their preferences. We do as far as Yasawa Island Resort and as far as Royal Davoi.
Okay, and so how long are those trips?
It all depends again. The furthest is half an hour from Nadi Airport, which is Yasawa Island Resort, and it comes down to 12 minutes, which is Tokoriki Island Resort.
Okay, and so you can land in virtually
anywhere,
place?
as long as they have a proper helipad and a big space for the helicopter to land at.
Okay. And so with that, what's the advantage of flying over taking a boat for resort transfers?
That's a good question, though. With Island Hoppers, we're trying to maximize our island time. So it's efficient, it's less waiting, less hassle. So as soon as you're off the flight, we have our rep that will meet you there, and then to the airport, check in, depart, you go to your island. So by the time the boat people arrive, you're already sipping 2 or 3 cocktails by the poolside and might have already finished one chapter of your book.
Yeah.
So it's all about time.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know what? Maximizing time is so important. And especially when you have those early morning flights and you don't want to have to wait for a ferry necessarily, although the ferry is a great option. But it's a couple hours too to get to some of these islands in the Yasawa, especially.
Yes.
And so it really does help people maximize their time.
It's all about maximizing your island time. You're here to enjoy, not to travel a lot.
Yeah. And you don't want to have to wait another 4 or 5 hours at the airport when you go home either.
Exactly.
So what are travelers typically saying about the aerial views that they experience when on those flights?
To be honest, we have a lot of first-time travelers. They are scared of heights. I am scared of heights, trust me. And for the first time, because we have experienced pilot, they are well-versed they know the logistics of Fiji. They make our passengers comfortable. They make our passengers feel, what shall I say? They feel at peace. They explain it to them how everything is done, because when you checked in with Island Hoppers, you are given a safety video. And also the pilot will come and brief you kindly, and if you are scared, they will ask you, don't be. It's also my first time on the helicopter. So most of our guests love the experience. Most when they book only one way to go over, with all the experience they encounter, they always said, okay, why the boat? Cut the boat.
We'll do it both ways.
Yes, we do it both ways.
Well, I've had a number of people take those flights, and it's exactly what you say. They take it one way thinking, oh, they'll do one way with the boat, but then they end up flying both directions. Is there, I guess, safety you kind of talked about too but what can guests expect in terms of flight safety and professional service?
Thank you. With Island Hoppers, it's a small family. We have a group of engineers, certified engineers. We have a chief engineer and our senior boys that are well qualified. They have certificates, and we also have pilots, a young, vibrant, and energetic pilots that have hours as well, that are qualified and that are well versed with Fiji as well. So with safety, I will say you are on good hands. Because it's not only their family that is on the flight, it's also our family, because we are small families as well. The pilots and us are all families.
And you've been in operation for quite some time now.
We've been operation for 40 years now. Touch wood, thank you.
40 years.
40 years.
Wow.
Yes. It is the longest domestic aviation in Fiji.
Wonderful. And I guess how far in advance should travelers be booking, especially in the peak times of the year?
With Island Hoppers, because we have 4 squirrel helicopters. Advance, we will always recommend 30 days prior. However, things changes, our guests do last minute booking, we can still accommodate. We can always accommodate, because in every day we have 2 helicopters and 2 pilots that are always there to accommodate our last minute requests or last minute transfers.
Okay. And so whether they're booking far in advance or last minute, you can accommodate that, and that's great to know. Are there any travel tips that you would give to guests when flying with Island Hoppers, especially if it's their first time?
If it is your first time, don't be scared. You will never know unless you try. You will never know how good the view there if you tried it. So come, Island Hoppers, we your family here. We're happy to assist. Either it's you're celebrating your honeymoon or your anniversary, or you bringing your children for their birthdays. We are there for you.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for sharing a bit about Island Hoppers.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in. Discover your next unforgettable journey at farandawaядventures.com. Experience the world differently.